Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to show you this gorgeous AMG GT63 S. So this is a 2019 Mercedes, and the client wanted some security. So the bad part is not a lot of people offer security for this level of a car. So we were able to get a interface that allows us to add security to it. So now off of the stock fob, you can lock it, which arms the factory alarm as well as our aftermarket alarm. The cool thing about that is now the car has a full-blown alarm where if they hit the car, open the door, try to tow it, anything like that, the alarm is gonna go off and notify the client. We also connected a phone application. So from his phone, he can also lock it, unlock it, monitor it, and the phone tells them everything that's happening with the vehicle. All right, so we also added a PIN code to this AMG. So now we're gonna start it with the PIN code. But obviously we're not gonna show you, so we turn the ignition on, put in the PIN code, wait for the 2 beeps, and then start the car. So now the vehicle will start. So even if they clone the key, even if they have the actual key, they will not be able to start the vehicle unless they know the secret PIN code, which only the client has. And the other nice thing is the client can change it on the fly. So if he's ever worried that somebody got it or he did have to give it to somebody, he can literally go into the system and just reassign a couple buttons or reassign the order of the buttons, and that will allow the car not to start even with the physical key itself. Another nice feature is that they are buttons that are in the car. So the client, there's a whole host of buttons that he can choose from, but they are buttons that already currently exist in the car. Just as an example, I mean, it could be your steering wheel, it could be a window, it could be anything that's currently in the vehicle. So we're not adding any additional buttons or secret buttons. We're using buttons that are in the vehicle and just creating a combination with those buttons, which allows the vehicle to start or not start. So now I'm gonna shut the vehicle off, and I'm gonna, again, here's the key. I'm gonna attempt to start it without inputting the PIN code, and you'll see what happens. So step on the brake, press the button, nothing. So the dash lights up, everything happens, but nothing works, right? Let go, I'm gonna shut it off, try again. Step on the brake, hold the button, again, nothing happens, right?